Hey guys, welcome to my video. And today I will be recreating this look that I had in my previous video that I had some requests to film. So if you'd like to see how to do this easy fiery red look, please keep on watching. Bye! Okay, to start off, I'm priming my eyes with some concealer, and then I'm going to set it with some powder from my contour kit. And this is just going to go all over the eyes to help prime and set. Next, going with the color all the way to the left of that big tan, I'm going to just go in windshield wiper motions with my fluffy brush. And I promise you, I don't have pink eye, it's just from that red shadow falling into my waterline. Now, taking a denser brush, I'm going to be going in with that orange almost right next to that red. And I'm just going to kind of create a halo effect and blend it out, avoiding the center of my eye. And I'm taking my fluffy brush and that transition color we first had and just going back and forth. And you just want to keep blending that, taking that orange middle color and pushing it in on each side where we additionally put it in. Next, I'm going to be taking a darker shade to the left of that red and doing the halo motion again. This is going to deepen our crease and our lid. And just make sure to blend that out seamlessly. Next, I'm going to be taking that fiery red color with a flat shader brush and going all over my lid. It might take you a bit to build up the color, but build it up first before you blend it out. You just want to keep packing it on until you like it. Now blend it out with that first transition color and that fluffy brush. Next, we're going to be taking that burnt orange shade right next to the red to the right, and we're going to be building this up on top of the red. This you can do to your liking. You can add more red on top of it. It's just to make a nice steady shade. Make sure to blend that as well, and I'm cleaning up under my eyes with a makeup wipe. I just did that, and now I'm going to be taking the rose gold shade, which is the second one I'm pointing to, and I'm going to be doing this on the first half of my lid, starting in the center. This is going to not only highlight our eyes, but give them some dimension. Then I took another light shimmery highlight shade underneath the brow of my bone and in the inner corner. Now, going with what's left over on this dense brush, I'm going underneath my eyes to make sure that it's not so heavy on the top and give a balance. Now, time for eyeliner. I picked up a new e.l.f. gel eyeliner, and that's what I'm using with my Real Techniques brush, And I'm just starting off with making a line and then drawing backwards to create the little wing. I don't know about you guys, but I always have to do my eyeliner on the left side first, otherwise I can't make it even on the right. And one side always turns out better. Let me know in the comments section what type of eyeliner you use. I've always preferred gel eyeliner to liquid. Now I'm just finishing lining up the top of my eyes, going all the way almost into my inner corner. Just want to carefully keep doing that with some precision. And this is going to make our eyes pop and make our lash line thicker. I wasn't feeling adding fake lashes today, so I'm just using some Better Than Sex mascara. So that is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you keep on watching my other videos. Please feel free to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.